This is a 2022 Chrysler Pacifica. The engine is off. I just got in the car. It's making this weird noise. It's about a year old. Does yours do this? And what in the world is causing it? Sounds like it's coming from up here somewhere. If I turn it on, it goes away.